Today, we will be going over how to install your rear tie downs for your Dodge. To start, remove the 3 factory bolts shown here and hang on to them as you will need them later. From here, align the tie downs with the proper holes and reinstall the hardware. Then, on the inside of the frame, install the rear portion of the receiver with the provided hardware to the frame. After torquing to the proper specs, repeat the process on the other side and you are ready to use your tie downs.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift product, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit us at torklift.com or call us at 800-246-8132.